Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. There's a bird making a noise, I don't know what kind of bird that is. But anyway, I disappeared for a second because I received my cutter bug. What's the name? So it's behind me because it's the big one. I didn't get the little one, I got the big one that has the drawer. And so I have it behind me, so I have to try to turn around and use it, and it's kind of a pain. So I do end up bringing it over to the table, to my desk, so please excuse the bright light. That's what I was going to say. I'm trying to learn how to, with using the light, how to know when where it's going to cut. But at least my paper is cut straight. Oh, so all these papers are going to be from my background, of course, is Basil cardstock, and then all the papers are from Mary Everything. So I'm just trying to line it up, make sure it'll cut. And sometimes I have problems. I'm trying to figure out. Sometimes I have problems with it cutting. Going down, I have to cut it going up because like it folds the paper. Sometimes it does fine, and other times it don't. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But and of course Theo has to come. He's got something on him, I don't know what that is. He is such a pain when it comes to scrapbooking. Which I have a layout ready to do. I never got to finish it because either him or Patton came, took a nap on my stuff. Hey Patton, speaking of you. Pain in the butt. He's coming to the window with Theo. And so I'm gonna be like, okay, well, I guess I'm gonna leave for a bit, and then I come back. And then Patton, oh, you can get in the window with him? Alright. You can. And then these pictures are from 2018 or 2019. 2018. I'm trying to think when I had her son in my room. And this is my now friend, daughter, Adeline. She's quite the character, I'll tell you what. I had her son my grandson in my room. That's how we became friends. He was acting up, acting a fool, refusing to do stuff. I mean, get angry, and so where they lived wasn't a good place. So, and he didn't have really any friends. So I would on Saturdays meet her at the park near where her husband worked, and Mateo. I told Mateo that he needed a friend, someone he could confide in if he needed to, someone to talk to. So he's like, okay. And so they would meet at the park. And it helped, but it didn't help. He still had anger issues. And it was where they lived, just the kids in the neighborhood, they lived in a trailer park, and the kids were horrible to him. And so once they moved out of that park, he took some time, but he turned himself around, and yeah. Alright, Mateo keeps coming in and interrupting me, so sorry. So again, for the third time, everything is Mary everything. So this year this was 2018, I think, and I made Christmas cookies, and the kids came over and decorated them and played with Mateo, and they had a blast. And in and out, mind you, but that's kids for you. And then I wanted to make Christmas cookies this year, but I didn't do so. I made my normal cookies that I made, or Christmas treats. I only make it at Christmas time. But it would have been just me to decorate them. Mateo would have helped a little bit, but then it would have been all me. But then, of course, they'd want to eat it. More than happy to help me do that. But anyway, so I have the kitchen to do it, because my kitchen is very spacious compared to where I was renting. It's a tiny kitchen. Not much space in which to put down the dough and cut it. There's like one counter in which I could do it. And then I didn't have room anywhere to put the cookies to cool. So it's kind of a pain, but I should have did it this year, but I can do that next year. And then to have all those cookies, and I don't eat a bunch of that stuff. So this is the wood veneer, and it looks like frosted cookies. So I wanted to try to use them on this layout, but I have everything else going on here, so. And I do like how this layout turns out. So my goal is for my 2021 scrapbook game, which I haven't done so yet, but I'm working on getting them uploaded into my Silhouette, is I want to use the cut files to go with the kits more so I can use my Silhouette, because my poor Silhouette has been abandoned. I pre-planned layouts in my, I have adorable die cuts that I have in my Silhouette, but then so I pre-planned a bunch of layouts. I just have not cut them and put them together, get them ready to begin. I need to and stick them in bags and with the picture, so kind of like a page kit. Sort of. And so I'm going to do my title off camera, I believe, but real quick, let me see. Christmas is Merry Everything. Cookies is Make-A-Wish exclusive outfits from 2019. And For Santa 2018 is American Crafts Happy Life stickers from a past kit. And that completes my layout. Thanks for watching. Bye.